One day, a group of friends planned to start bread selling, but before buying ingredients, they decided to save some money first.
Summer na. What are you planning this summer?
This summer, I just want to rest.
Me too.
You want some bread? Yes.
So we decided that we will celebrate. That day. Yes. Good. Let's start our bread fund. Everyone will contribute 100 pesos so we can buy ingredients.
But we won't use the money yet, right?
Yes, instead of spending it, let's deposit it at school bank. That's 5 pesos per day.
The group deposited 800 pesos in the school's mini bank for 1 month at 5% simple interest.
Welcome to the Simple Bank. You're depositing 800 pesos for 1 month at 5% per year. Let's complete your simple interest.
After 1 year, the group earned 40 pesos interest.
How much did you earn? We earned 40 pesos interest. That means our total money is 840.
Wow, we earned extra just by savings. Now we can use it for our project or buy more ingredients too.
Simple interest. The simple interest based only on the original amount and principal. Formula is I is equal to A. So we can earn 40% for saving AB. 800 at 5% for 1 month.
That's how simple interest works. Your money grows even while you wait.
The bread fund friends learned that even small savings can grow simple interest, no spending needed, just teamwork and patience.